I've got a shocking gurtach on me. The Hiberno English word of the day is gurtach. What's for dinner? I've got a great gurtach on me. Gurtach means hunger. Gurtach mór is an Irish phrase that refers to the Great Famine. I think that mothers are going through a great famine at the moment, and it's a spiritual hunger. But I use a meditation app. Meditating with an app is like eating junk food. It might fill your belly, but it will not satisfy your deep spiritual hunger. Gurtach. Or as Bob Marley said, them belly full, but we're hungry.